Greetings, everybody. I hope your trading went well today. The market bounced back up a little bit from the disaster that it was yesterday. We made a little bit of profit again on our pairs trading. I hope you guys did the same. So today is day 8 of our countdown of our final 10 free recommendations prior to the start of the course. So today we ran the 15 baskets that we ran for Monday's trading. And when we did that, we ran with a 0.8 correlation, 0.8 RW coefficient. And then I went ahead and set it for the back test for 5, a minimum of 5 winners, and an expectation value of 5% up or down. When we did that, we came up with a nice little list of things. I went through all of them, and the one we're going to take a look at today is a couple of, it's in the natural gas distribution basket, so it's a couple of pipeline companies. So it's got a decent correlation, but it's got a great RW coefficient, and it's got some good numbers. So let's go take a look at it in the analysis. So that's a good picture, right? It hasn't had quite as much up and down action as we would like to see over the past, what is this, about 5 months, four or 5 months. But in any case, it does look very strong. The RW coefficient is so strong that I think it's a very solid pair. It did have a little move back down today, so it's moving in the right direction. So it's probably going to be something to put on right away. Let's go take a look at it over in the observe page. Everything looks good here. As you can see here on the end, it had a little move down, but it's still got some ways to go to come back down this direction. Let's see, the mean is at 0.11. I suspect we would target something just a little higher than the mean, because it looks like if I were to draw a resistance line, it would be somewhere in this area. And the tool typically spots that for us. We don't even have to pick it out. So in any case, let's go take a look at it over in the hitting probabilities. I've already got it here. Okay, so it's got a nice downward slope here, which is indicative of mean reversion. We're going to run this Monte Carlo simulation with 10,000 paths. And the current price being 5.72, it's saying it's a short, right? So it says we're going to be below that 95% of the time in 30 days. It's saying we've got a 7% expectation value, which is quite adequate. Going all the way to the mean, which is 0.12, it says we'll get there half the time in 25 bars, and the mode being only 15. These are all very good numbers. As I said, we'd probably target something, slightly higher than this. Let's put in, $1.25 or so. I'm just doing that from memory, but let's just run that one time. Yeah, so getting back to what I think is more likely going to be my target anyway, it says we'll get there half the time in 17 bars, the mode being 10 bars. So in any case, very good numbers. Let's go back take one quick look back here. A nice picture, not perfect, but nice. A very solid correlation, not the strongest we've seen, but quite good. A very, very good RW coefficient. We're talking about MMP versus HEP, trading with a ratio of 2.16. It's had a perfect track record. It's been outside the mean 8 times, 7 profitable returns, and the 8th one is the one that's currently open. So we're going to make this the recommendation today. It's going to be MMP minus 2.16 of HEP. It is a short, so for every share of MMP that you sell, you're going to buy 2.16 shares of HEP. Good luck with your trading.